Hello my beautiful people. Hello, how you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing great. Happy weekend. How you guys doing? Hope you are fine. So I want to thank everybody that posted my video on my birthday. I thank you guys. I really appreciate you guys. May God bless you. Ìkànre la máa bára wa ṣe o. Orúkọ rẹ̀ la máa sọ́ra wa. Ọlọ́run á dẹ̀ máa fi ìṣọ́ ẹ̀ àti ààbò ẹ̀ á máa fi bù wá. Ẹ ṣé gan, mo really appreciate yín àti ẹbí o àti ará o àtọ̀rẹ́ o àtẹ̀gbọ́n àtàbúrò àtolójúnìmọ̀ ọ̀rẹ́ Facebook ọ̀rẹ́ Instagram ọ̀rẹ́ Twitter, everybody. I really appreciate you guys for sharing my video on my birthday, for your lovely comments, for everything. I really appreciate you. May God bless you. So please guys, if today is your first time of coming across my video, please, I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Lady J of Africa. If you already subscribed to my channel before, may God bless you. I really appreciate you. So my topic today, I'm going to talk about fake life. People do say they live fake life, they live fake life. Is it true that people really live fake life? Or what kind of life are you living? What kind of life am I living? Am I living a fake life? Are you living a fake life? So let's ask ourselves a question. What kind of life are we living? Because people do say fake life starts when media come. When there is no media, there is no a fake life. Nobody live a fake life the time of our mother, the time of our father. So, but we nowadays, ladies, girls, boys outside there, we live a fake life because we want to belong. You understand? And for the people that live a fake life, we can't blame them. It's not their fault. It's our fault. Because why? If we meet a guy, we will tell the guy that this guy not bland, this guy not fine, this guy not, sabi swag, sabi do something, and not go feed data. So the boy need to live fake life before we go data. So it not be the boy fault. Now, so if the boys then they meet who will be a lady, who will not sabi swag, will not sabi talking, will not sabi do something, they go say they no fit date us because we not sabi swag, because we not sabi makeup, because we not sabi dress, because we not sabi live fake life. Our person not go live fake life. But I want to ask, did this fake life, is it applying to our, is it giving us, is it make us to enjoy, is it giving us a good life, or is giving us a bad life? Is it giving you a moving forward, or is giving you a back forward? Because for me, I think fake life give backward. Because why? Let me tell you, there is some people that will like you for who you are. They want to come closer to you, but they'll first of all look your standard. They will say, this girl, he has big house, he has a car, he has this, he has that, he have this. So I cannot come close to this kind of person because I don't have money to his level, or to her level, or to everything. So he won't accept me for who I am. We welcome that person will easily run away. Also, us a girl too, we may just see you as a guy, natural. We love you, want to fall in love with you. But when we see the way you come, you're coming out a low, the way you swag, the way you put your trousers, the way you put your perf, the kind of life you live, the fake life you live, we make us to scared. We make us ladies to be scared and say, this kind of person, if I go for this kind of person, it's not my level, which that person is nothing. So what are we saying here is that let's amend the kind of life we live. Let's amend the kind of fake life we live. Living in fake life doesn't make you to have anything. There is a lady that called me yesterday and told me, Lady J, it is a no for fake life. I don't want to live fake life again. I want to live the natural person that I am. When he told me that, I was laughing. I said, why did you? I'm not going to tell you guys his name. I'm not going to talk about. I just want to bring a topic up. I said, why did you say so? He said, my dear, he said, look, I've been in Europe for many years. I can't be able to have a plot of land. All what I have to do every day is to buy new clothes, to buy new jewelries, to buy this, to buy this. Just I want to belong. So I'm tired of that. You can see, because he looked at that fake life is not giving her anything. He looked at that fake life is not benefiting anything. It's not, you will see some ladies, they don't have money to give their family. Even this season that we have now, everywhere is dry. They can't even avoid 50 euro to give their family at home and say, mommy, take this one, use it to buy provision. Use this one to, at least by now, as statistics add now, we can even see a bag of rice in Nigeria, 50 euro. That is 20,000 naira. But some people, they can't avoid to give that family that 20,000 naira because they believe that it's waste. But some people then will go and do makeup, 40,000, 100 euro, 200 euro. The makeup you just do right away now, and in the next 20 minutes you clean it up. So what is the need? What is the essence? Is it not fake life? You as a married woman, you have kids back home, you have kids in Nigeria, you have kids in Europe, you are living under the government, or you are living under the project, or you are suffering to achieve a good life. You have a family back home, you will go and be doing makeup. You will be doing makeup 30 euro, 50 euro when you have family back home. And you check that kind of lady, don't even have a piece of land back home, but you have 20,000 naira, 40,000 naira to do makeup that you just do right now, and you clean it away immediately. So what is the essence? Is it not fake life? Is it not fake life you are living? Are you living the normal life? I see many people call me, hey, Lady J, you don't know how to draw a pencil. What is your business? Is it your face? It's my face. Let me draw it the way I know it. Even though I draw it from here, finish it, it's my face. I do it the way I like. That is how I know how to do it. I don't have money to go and be buying makeup. I'm not a fan of makeup. I don't know how to do it. But the one I know how to do, you guys should let me do it. I don't live fake life, and I don't want to live fake life. I don't want to belong. Let me be where I am. I'm okay where I am. If any man see me like this, he said he don't like me for who I am, let that man go to hell. I don't care. I don't care who the man is, who the hell are the man. I don't care. I don't want to know. Let me live my life the way I want it. If you, because of I don't know how to make up, I don't know how to dress, if you don't want me, go to hell. Let me live the way I know I can live. I don't know how to make up. It's my pocket. Let me tell you my secret, guys. I don't have money to buy powder in Europe here because their powder is so expensive. You will see that we give you small powder that we tell you is a 30 euro, 40 euro, 50 euro. I don't have that kind of money. I will send money back home. They will buy me Mary Kay. 3,000 naira Mary Kay. It's not even up to 10 euro. Then they will buy me the dry powder. I will be using my anyhow I use it. I see it like that. Boba she draw nínú photo lo ma she rira. The way you stand on photo, the way you see yourself. It's not about buying makeup of 100,000, 300,000. At the end of the day, you will just be faking yourself for nothing. Look at those many actresses, they are there. They will pack themselves, they will say they arrived. They are not arrived anything. And if you get to check them very well, most of those things they are wearing is Chinese. They will tell you they are wearing Macca, they are wearing Gucci. It's a lie. They are not wearing Macca, they are not wearing Gucci. Somebody that cannot help his family with 200,000. Can he avoid a Gucci? Do you know how much Gucci costs? Do you know how much jewelry Gucci costs? Do you know how much bag of Gucci costs? They will just go to they can easily go to China. They will buy those bags. They will put Gucci label on it. They are doing it here. I have a bet here. It's G. But when you see that G and G, you think it's original, which is not. They just do it. And you believe, when I put it on, you believe this is G and G. So why are we faking ourselves? I love putting no Chinese thing because that is what I avoid to buy for myself. I can't keep myself because I want to live I want to belong. I want to become. I want to live a fake life. I live my life this way. So people that is complaining, I don't know how to make up, I don't know how to put eye pencil, I don't know. It's your pocket. They look me where I not sabi make. Me, they make my life, they go. You there, they gossip. You are there, you are gossiping, you are seeing someone that don't know how to dry a high pencil. You are seeing someone that don't know how to put eyelashes. You are seeing the one that, what is your business? I'm here living my life. Live your own the way you know how to live it. Now you see now those girls, they can't even snap picture without Snapchat. All they want to do is Snapchat. They want to do video is Snapchat. They want to snap picture is Snapchat. Why can't you show your natural face the way I'm showing my own? So why can't you be real? Why can't you be real for just once? And you know those things kill us. It killed our morale. It make our helper to run away from us. If you don't know, okay, I'm here now. I'm like this. Maybe you just see me like this now. You say that girl. Maybe she put on jewelries of this earring. I bought it. It's my elder sister that bought it for me in Nigeria. She bought it and sent it for me. I don't buy it with my money. I don't even know how much it cost. Maybe you not see the earring with me now, you think that it's one kind big earring. It's not a big earring. Oh. I don't think it's up to 5,000 naira safe. I don't think it's up to. And then you just see that this kind of person, she has this, she have that. I can't conclude. I don't have anything. I'm managing. Forget about car, forget about house. I'm nothing. I'm empty pocket. I don't have anything. So you guys don't run away from me. I'm who I am. I don't live a fake life. I don't have anything. I'm managing the way you are managing. You understand? There you will see some people, some guys, they can't even avoid 3 days meal. They can't even pay their house rent. But when they want to come outside, they go and pack all those necklaces. They pack it on their neck just to fake, just to show fake life, just to tell people that I'm there, I'm real, which you are not. You make your helper to run away from you. You understand? You will come and it's even good for a girl. A girl can make herself beautiful. A girl can do a photo shoot. A girl can do a photo Snapchat, because we are a lady, we can do it. But what about man? You man, you will see some man that will be going and be doing Snapchat. The lipstick will be on their mouth. I will say, what kind of life are we living? Let's stop this fake life, because this fake life that we are living send our helper away from us. Because I will say you will be loving you, but the kind of cast you carry, the kind of you put, will make me to be scared that I'm not in your level, which you are not like that. So what kind of life are we living? Maybe now I go out now, I want to borrow a woman hair, then I put it on. I use it to snap my picture. This is human hair. I bought it 300,000 euro. I bought it 400,000 euro. Then you will be there looking at me that I'm expensive. You won't even know that I borrowed the human hair. Maybe tomorrow you fell in love with me. We start together. You are expecting me to put the human hair. I don't have it. I can not be free. I met a lady on train station in Monza. Normally, the lady is my friend on Facebook. So we have been friends for long. She always comment on my picture. I always comment on her picture. When I see this lady physical, when she see me, she was dodging me. She was trying to hide from me. Why is she dodging me? Because she know that in her Facebook she live a fake life. Now she's showing her real. She wasn't even out what is doing on Facebook. So she was scared. She was shy away from me. Then I walked to her. I said, it's like I know you on Facebook. He said, yes, you are my friend now. I said, but you are running away from me. He said, no, that he's running to meet a tree. Which I know that is because he's doing that because the fake life that she live on Facebook. What about that kind of a lady? Maybe man is disturbing you on Facebook. He loves you, want to meet you. Then at the end of the day, what he's seeing on Facebook is not what he really sees. It happened to somebody that I know. Then a guy met her on Facebook. They start chatting, doing everything. I love you, I do this. And really, the guy really fall in love with the picture that he see. The guy really fall in love with the picture that he saw on Facebook. Spending money to this girl, doing everything to this girl. At the end of the day, she invited this girl that I want you to come to my house. When the guy saw the girl on the train station, he ran away. He said, no, this is not what. Is it you that I'm saying? He said, yes. Are you sure you are the one that put on so things? The guy said, yes. He said, no, I didn't sure you are the one. No. The guy switched off his phone and left. The guy switched off his phone and left the girl in the train station. Maybe if the girl did not live a fake life, if God said they are still going to meet, they will meet no matter what it comes. They will meet. But when you are living a fake life, you believe that that fake life is genuine. It's real. It's not real. It's not genuine. It's not what good. What kind of advice are you giving to your youngest ones? What kind of advice are you giving to your children? What kind of life do you want your children to live when you start living a fake life? When you start living a fake life, what you don't have, you said you have it. What you don't belong, you said you belong it. No. Me that I'm talking here today, I slept outside for good 6 months in Nigeria. Tinker First Gate, Apapa, who know there. I slept in Tinker First Gate for good 6 months. But today, when I was sleeping outside, I am who I am. I am who I am. How am I going to put it? I behave the way I am. I let people know that I have a problem. Through there, I see a helper that helped me to be where I am today in Europe. Maybe then, if I'm living fake life, I think I slept outside, at the end of the day, I feel pompous. Maybe I will not be in this position that I be today. So let's stop living a fake life. When you show the real person you are, who will still love you will love you. Who will still like you will like you. People will still stop saying you have 3 children. Why should I stop saying I have children? I have a grown-up children. I gave birth when I was so very young. I got married when I was so very young. I have a 3 kids, a grown-up kid, and I'm proud of my children. I'm proud of my kids. If you, because of that, maybe I have children, you are not coming for me. What are you going to offer me? You have nothing to offer me. I don't even need you in my life. Why should I be hiding my lovely kids? The gift that God gives to me, I will be hiding it because I want to live a fake life. If it comes that maybe you now love me tomorrow, then we fell in love, we get married. So my kids cannot come to visit. I will be telling my kid to call me auntie, Abi sister, and I cannot be able to show as a mother to them. Let's stop living a fake life. Fake life does not good. We doesn't deserve it. Fake life is not good. Let's stop it. Let's stop it, my brothers and sisters, especially those guys that do Snapchat. Stop it. You are a man. You will be the one to advise we guys to even stop it. That this thing that we are doing, it doesn't show the real us. You can't even say, okay, you are doing this Snapchat, your face will be rough, your face will be very fine and clean. And at the end of the day, when they see you physical outside, your face will be pompous. You will see some ladies outside their face, the kind of pimples that they are in their face. When they go to do this Snapchat, everything will clean. And when you see them physical, you feel like to vomit. Why are we doing fake life? Why are we living fake life? Let's live. Like me now, see the kind of hair I'm carrying. I'm carrying pick and drop. I know the hair is very old, but I don't have money to make another one. I make it the way I want. I will not go and borrow hair to put, or I will not go and be said because I want to come outside to media. I want people to see me that I'm big. I'm not big. This is who I am. This is who I am. This is me. If you want to help me, help me. Don't help me because of I'm beautiful or because I'm ugly. Help me for who I am. Take me for who I am. Let's stop living a fake life. Fake life cannot take us anywhere. Fake life can easily send our helper away from us. Someone that loves you, that cherish you, without living a fake life, will easily come for you. Someone that loves you for who you are, without living a fake life, will come for you no matter what comes. So my brother, my sisters, let's stop this fake life of a thing. Let's stop carrying the bag that is not belong to us. Let us stop carrying the hair that is not belong to us. Let's stop go and borrow a human hair for our mate and say I want to use it to just to snap picture. I will give it back. Let's stop it. Let's stop go and borrow jewelries from our friend. Let's use the one we have. Go to market, you will see jewelries 5 euro, 10 euro. Put it in your neck. It will make you look good. It will make you feel at home. You know it's yours. You are not borrowing it from any other person. Nobody can disgrace you. It's yours. So what kind of life are you living? What kind of life am I living? Let's live life the way we are. Let's stop adding to our problem. Let's stop adding to our problem. When you add to your problem, you will face it yourself. So let's stop a fake life. Let's stop all those kind of belong. I want to belong by fire, by force. Who then be? Now we they reign. There is a lady. Is my friend on Facebook. He congratulates. So I bought a new car. Everybody was like, congratulations to you, congratulations to you. We always see that girl with that car just only that day. Till now, we haven't seen her again. I don't want to mention her name. We haven't seen her again. We haven't seen the car again. So is that not a fake life? Don't live fake life. Stop living a fake life. Be who you are. Be who you are. No matter what comes, be who you are. For me, I live my life the way I know it pleases me. I don't live a fake life. I don't want to live a fake life. For people that are saying that I don't know how to draw a pencil, maybe you will come to my house and come and teach me how to draw a pencil. Because this is the one I grew up with. This is the one I know how to draw ever since I started a girl in Nigeria. And this is how I will be drawing it no matter what comes. So if you, because I don't know how to draw a pencil, you don't want to be my friend, fuck you and fuck yourself out of my life. You understand? Stop calling me that is not how to draw a pencil. I draw it the way I like because I don't know how to do it. I don't want to be fake. I want to be real. I want to be who I am. This is me. This is who I am. This is how I know how to do it. I do my things the way I know how to do it. I don't want to copy you. I don't want to copy you. I want to do my thing. You will see some people that will pack all to 30, 50, all to makeup in their face. 10 type, 20 type on their face. And they will come out and look like masquerade. They will say they makeup. They pay money to do the makeup. Me that I just apply ordinary powder where I rub. Now ordinary powder, now I rub with this. Now be this. If now those one now, I not go fit do like this. Now ordinary powder, now I rub for my face. So see my hand. And it's still clean. Ordinary powder. Now I rub. Then I put this one. I put my eye pencil. I put my lipstick. I don't go where they go. I don't come back. Now supermarket are there, so I dey gigante. I can't buy things for myself. So what are we saying? You live fake life because you want to belong. I don't know how to live fake life. So for you guys complaining, I don't know how to draw a pencil. Fuck you, fuck your mouth, fuck anything you have. This is who I am and this is who I want to be. I don't want to live fake life because to show myself I'm a big girl. I'm not a big girl. I'm just a small girl. But I thank God for what God have done in my life. So let's stop up nose for what is not your business. You are there in Nigeria shouting that your sister don't know how to make up. You don't know how to make up. I'm here making my money, shining my life. You are there gossiping. Like one thing where you say, Nadia una go day. I go waka pass una. Una dey there they gossip me say I don't know how to make eye pencil. I don't know how to dress. I don't know how to put eye pencil. Now only dress as I be dress. My eye pencil not dey straight. I don't know how to put on. As I don't know how to put on, you leave me I put on the way I want. Meanwhile they put on the way I want. I not complain. My boyfriend not complain. So I can't they affect you. My children not complain. I can't they affect you. Not my family. I don't know you. Don't know me. You just see me for Facebook, you know not sabi put eye pencil, you know sabi put eye pencil. What is your life? What is your business with me? This is how I learn how to live my life. Let me live my life the way I want. Let me live my life the way I want. When I was in Nigeria, I used to rub Odiagbon. You know what is Odiagbon? That pakane, the oil that come out from pakane. That is what I used to rub to go to school. I used to use salt. Put salt on my brush to brush my teeth. So today I can be able to avoid to buy a brush, a Maclean to clean my teeth. I can be able to use at least Caro White to rub. It's a blessing from God. It's not by my power. It's God's power. So I don't want to live a fake life. I am who I am, just like this. Even this bank group now, every of my picture you see it because that is the only what I have. I show what I have. I don't show what I don't have. If you go to many of my videos, you see this same collar now in my neck. That is what I have. I don't have more than it. I use what I have for myself. It make me feel good. It make me feel comfortable. It make me anywhere I enter, I'm okay. Nobody will stop me. Nobody will disturb me. Nobody will say, this thing that you are putting on, I want to take it. It's mine. I will feel ashamed. I will feel until I'll feel pompous. I feel happy with what I have. I'm content with what I have. So stop gossiping about me. I don't know how to put eye pencil. If you know I don't know how to put eye pencil, you that in Nigeria, enter flight, come to Europe, come and teach me how to put eye pencil. Okay, that is all I have for you. Please, I'm advising you guys, let's live our life the way we see it. Let's stop borrowing. Let's stop copying people. Let's stop living a fake life. Let's live our normal life the way we are. Put yourself according to the way God creates you. There your helper will locate you. Be who you are. There your helper will locate you. Stop living a fake life. Stop living a fake life. Live a fake life to live in self. Let's be ourselves so that we can be able to achieve our aim. We can be able to see our dream. We can be able to look up to our destiny. That is my advice for you. As you do so, God bless you. Please, if you got in touch to this video, please share the video to your friends, share it to everyone. Please, if you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel before, I beg you, please subscribe. If you already subscribed to my channel before, may God bless you. I love you guys. See you on my next video. Thank you very much. I really love you guys. I really appreciate you. May God bless you. Once again, I thank all my fans, family, friend, everyone that posted my picture on my birthday last week Sunday. I really appreciate you guys. That is on the 3rd of May. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you. May God bless you all, both sisters, brothers, family, friend. I really appreciate you. For the people that commented also, I really appreciate you guys. May God bless you. All thanks belongs to God, and I give God all the glory that the day meant me alive. I really appreciate God. Thank you. See you on my next video. Please put your comments below. If you love the video, thumbs up. If you don't like the video, thumbs down. But put your comments below so that when I read your comment, I will know what you ought to. I will know if you are among the people that love a fake life or you are not among. So I will know. See you on my next video. God bless you guys. Bye bye.